Hello, this is David Nassau, and this song is called Give Some Treats to the Dogs. I dedicate this song to all you dog lovers and dog owners, and with it comes all the hassles and all the joys of owning man and woman's best friend with benefits. So, safety's off, showtime. 1, 2, 3, 4! One, two, three, four. Give some treats to the dogs, and they stay loyal to you. Give some treats to the dogs, and they remain steadfast and true. He's got some natural instincts, he has some needs to be met. He loves you unconditionally, he even humps your leg. He may not be smart, but with you it's heavenly bliss. He loves you more than he loves himself. He even shows you his kibbles and bits. So he should give some treats to them dogs, and they stay loyal to you. Give some treats to them dogs, and they remain steadfast and true. You know what they say about having an old yeller? He can smell things from far away, and he's such a protective fella. It may not be smart, but he's such an adorable rover. He loves you more than he loves himself, even when your days are over. So give some treats to them dogs, and they stay loyal to you. Give some treats to them dogs, and they remain steadfast and true. One, two, three, four. Give some treats to them dogs, and they stay loyal to you. Give some treats to them dogs, and they remain steadfast and true. Give some treats to them dogs. Give some treats to them dogs. Give some treats to them dogs, and they remain steadfast and true. Give some treats to them dogs. Give some treats to them dogs. Thank you.